Hottie Scotty here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this natural makeup look. This is more of a go-to last minute makeup routine. You're running late or you find out you have last minute visitors. My husband literally tells me everything last minute. Oh, he'd be like, oh, by the way, my mom's coming over in about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Yeah, I normally take a while because I like to make sure my eyeliner is straight and perfect. I try to get my eyebrows a twin. I'm over here trying to see like what kind of shadows, because one minute I'm like, oh, I want to do black, and then I'm like the other minute, no, I want blue. So yeah, I'm very undecisive when it comes to eyebrows. And then I'm pregnant, I could barely fit into my closet, so my makeup has to match my wardrobe. So then I'm like, I have to look through my closet to see what I'm gonna wear, and next thing you know, I'm out of that. So I'm like, oh, I can't do that if I'm doing this. So I'm all about color coordination, but I'm also about color blocking a little bit too, but it just depends on what I'm wearing. So yeah, so this is the quick go-to makeup look when you're in a rush, on the go, you know. It's literally very few items. All you need is concealer, pressed powder, mascara, if you do your brows, your eyebrow products, and if you want, you could throw in blush and lip gloss. That's it. That's all I use. So you know, without further ado, oh, I want to apologize for not being able to upload my how to do the Flamin' Hot Cheetos makeup look. I apologize for that. I was going through a pregnancy moment. Like my back was aching. I was getting like bad headaches. The baby kept moving around like I felt like she was trying to burst her own water bag. That's how bad she was moving. She's a little feisty, so I mean, she is my daughter, but she was feisty. So, you know, I just needed to rest. I wasn't feeling well. So, you know, I was on bed rest most of the time. And plus, it didn't help that my husband told me, oh, my family's coming in 20 minutes. Yeah, that actually happened. That actually happens. So, yeah, so I had to rest a little bit, do my go-to makeup because I don't like them seeing me looking like a zombie. But, you know, that's just me. So yeah, I mean, most of the time I was sitting down anyway, so there was that. But you know, I will do that. That video is just postponed. I will get straight to that video soon. So I'm doing this natural makeup look, and I'm also making another video during this one on how to do smoky eyes with the color wine. So stay tuned for that. We'll be playing with the Rebel Rose collection. But I think that's pretty much it for now. So, you know, without further ado, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. And if you guys have any requests, go ahead and write them down in the description box below. I will go ahead and look into it, make a list of it, because I have plenty other videos to do for you guys. But, I mean, if you want to learn something, I'll go ahead and throw that in before my videos. So, you know, go ahead for that. If you want to work on certain colors, go ahead and write that down below as well. If you want to learn other techniques, let me know. If you know any other techniques, go ahead and write that down. I would love to learn the way how you guys do your makeup. If you want to get into more of a tutorial on different sort of brows, eyeliner, cut creases, go ahead and write that down below so I can make another learning 101 video for you guys. I think that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna make this like intro long, so we're just gonna go ahead and get straight to the video. So see you guys in a bit. This first product we're gonna use is the Wet n Wild MegaGlow Makeup Stick Conceal. So we're gonna go ahead and conceal our under eyes because I am a mom, so I have zombie eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal our under eyes. And if you have like a little redness or darkness up here, go ahead and do that too. I do it just to make it look a little more, you know, one color. Place it, any flaws you have, like any pimples, dark spots, blemishes, just go ahead and place it right on top. Yeah, because in my pregnancy I started breaking out. I used to usually wear makeup. Because of my pregnancy, I've been breaking out. When I was working, I used to work third shift. I would wear makeup every day because I was a waitress at a nightclub. So like I was wearing makeup every day, never broke out, you know. But then I got pregnant, and next thing you know, so whatever. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. We're gonna go ahead into our LA Colors palette. We're gonna go ahead and grab the closest one to our shade. So I'm pretty light, so we're gonna go ahead and mix these two together because like I may be light, but I do have color on me as well. So we're gonna mix these two, and we're just gonna go ahead and do our under eyes. This is not a mirror. Got that out of the way, I even went ahead and did the excess powder from the cosmetic wedge, and I put it on my lid so that way that would crease. So while that's getting baked, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. I'll link down the video below on eyebrow tutorials. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off of camera. I'll be right back. So now that my brows are done, we're gonna go ahead and put powder on the rest of our face to go ahead and set this concealer. I'm just going to go ahead with my Broadway Colors pressed powder in the color Ivory, and we're going to go ahead and set the rest of our face. Now this step is totally optional. If you want to go ahead and add like maybe rosy cheeks, a little blush, go ahead. I'm going to go in with the Milani. This is the Milani powder blush in the color Tea Rose. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply to the apple of my cheeks very lightly because I'm not wearing contour, I'm not wearing bronzer, you know, so we're just going to go ahead. We're going to dip into that with our Rose Blush Brush from the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. I know I kind of packed on my eyebrows, but it's because I'm filming another video during this one. So, you'll see. I'll link that video down below. Smile. Apples of the cheeks. Brush it back. Just to give us a little color. And curl our lashes and apply this Wet n Wild MegaProtein mascara. I usually use a MegaProtein on my, you know, on the go makeup routine. Not that it's gonna do any good for your eyelashes because it's still mascara, but I mean, whatever works, right? Now, I normally will either just stick with these lips or I would apply a lip gloss or a chapstick. But today, I'm going to use this lip gloss I bought on Amazon for like $13. It's supposed to be a lip plumper. I mean, it does plump your lips, but depending on the amount on how much you put is the results you're going to get. It's this instant lip plumper. And it says here it's supposed to plump, soften, rejuvenate, hydrate, conditions, and to use it as often as needed. I usually put a little bit on, I usually put a little bit on so that way it could just get soft, conditions, and hydrates my lips. But if you put like more, like if you pack it on, it'll get plump. It comes in this little jar. It smells like cupcakes, I think. It feels light. It doesn't have that gloppy feeling like a normal lip gloss would, but it really does soften, moisturize, and condition your lips. Like I said, I use this mostly for like a lip routine. So like when I do my lip skincare, I would do a sugar lip scrub. I would grab like a clean brush, like a toothbrush, scrub and like exfoliate my skin. I'll do that, and then like I'll apply this on afterward because it makes it softer and it feels more hydrated. So that's what I'm doing right now, but it gives me like that extra boost, like I actually try to do my face. So that's what I'm doing. I normally don't wear this. This is more like my natural day makeups, or like when I need it, like when my lips are really chapped during the winter. That little jar goes a long way, so there's that. That, you guys, concludes today's video on this waking up late, get in a rush makeup routine. This is my everyday look. Not every day, but this is my look when I'm like, I woke up late and I'm in a rush to go somewhere, or when we're having last minute visitors and my husband forgets to tell me. Yeah, so this is a straight look I run to. It's really nothing. All I use is concealer to hide my flaws. Like, it covers it up very little bit. So you know, I still look natural. I use a powder to set that. I always do my brows, and because you get powder on your eyelashes, I went ahead and did the mascara. And you know, just to give me a little more life and my lips don't look so chapped, I put on that moisturizing lip gloss on top. So there's that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. This is my go-to morning routine. I'm gonna stop saying morning routine. This is my go-to quick makeup look. So this is my natural makeup look. You know, tell me how you guys do your natural makeup looks. If you go ahead and do the eyeshadow, let me know, because hey, when I'm in a rush, I don't have time for eyeshadow, so I just go ahead and bloop, bloop, the concealer, the powder. That's it. So, you know, without further ado, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My Instagram is scotty2hottie.4. Twitter is scotty2hottie_4. So there's that. My other video I'm uploading today along with this one is the how to do smoky eyes in the color wine. So we're gonna be working on the color red, like a maroon wine red color, and I'm gonna show you how to smoke that out. It's more of a casual look, but it can also be more of an outgoing look. I'm using it for a casual appearance today, so I'm just gonna show you guys on how to do smoky eyes with the color wine. There's that. I'll go ahead and link that down below along with the eyebrow tutorial. And once again, I apologize for the delay on the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I was going through like a sort of a pregnancy moment yesterday. Well, the other day, yeah, yesterday I was going through a pregnancy moment, and you know, I just needed to be on bed rest. I'm almost due, so you know, I gotta rest as much as possible right now, because we all know I ain't gonna be resting when that baby comes. My insomnia is gonna come back soon, so you know, that's why I want to show you guys on how to make you look alive when you're dead on the inside. So you know, anyways, I guess that's it. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Bye, hotties.